Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Quick breads are easy to make. I think of apple cinnamon bread, pumpkin chive, zucchini, and so on. David always buys bananas and often the ripest ones end up in the freezer. Although I have 2 banana bread recipes, I decided to put another twist on it. And I came up with peanut butter banana bread. This is a match made in heaven. The combination of these two ingredients along with others gives a scrumptious taste to this classic. It's certainly a must try. So let's get baking. In a mixing bowl, we'll combine flour, baking powder, as well as baking soda and ground sea salt. We'll whisk the dry ingredients until nicely mixed and set aside. Next, in a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add overripe bananas. I'm using 4. I need space in my freezer. Then some beaten eggs, followed by granulated sugar and melted creamy peanut butter, although you can use a crunchy one. If you use a natural peanut butter, read the blog for more info, okay? We'll also add milk, just a couple tablespoons, and the same with unsalted melted butter. And finally, pure vanilla extract. Using the paddle attachment, we'll start on low speed, then increase to medium-high and process until everything is blended, about 2 minutes. We'll now add the dry ingredients, and this time we'll process on low speed until the mixture is just incorporated. Don't overmix, otherwise the loaf might get tough. And let's not forget to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl. The next ingredient is totally optional, but highly recommended, and is semi-sweet chocolate chips. If you go for it, we'll simply fold them into our batter. We'll pour it into a greased and floured loaf pan and level it out before transferring it to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 75 to 80 minutes or until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean with just a few crumbs. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 15 minutes before unmolding it and transferring the loaf onto a wire rack to cool completely. And my friends, this is our peanut butter banana bread. This loaf is certainly an elevated version of the classic one. Loaded with yumminess, this is an incredible quick bread recipe to enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!